Welcome back to Andrew's Journeys. This is how to make your own game part 4. This is how to do stuff for level 2. Okay, so you want to go to the library. Okay, so you want to go click on this dude, your player guy. Did all this ground stuff off screen. Bad guy, add. Okay, done. Wall, add. Boom, done. Not completely done. You still need to make. Wait. I forgot one more thing. Speaker. And put it right there. The player starts. Okay, so you still need to make a new portal. So if you haven't watched me make a new portal, if you didn't see me make it last time, then you can watch me this time. So you want to call this Portal 2. So if you have a third level, you need the new portal. Okay? So edit, and so if you want another level, you need to do this, and then you can do this for every single level you have. So if you want to have multiple levels, then you need to make multiple portals, and you can just watch this over and over for the next level if you do multiple levels. So just do that for this portal. You need another portal if you have another level 3 or 10 or something. If you have a lot of levels and new level, and like 10, 11, 12, as many levels as you want. Then you need to keep portals until you get to the last level. You don't need to make them until you get to the last level. All you do is have to make a goal. So, and remember to make the same background, and so you just do this. If you make another level, third level, I'm just gonna make 2 levels. If you make a third, if you make several levels, or at least until the end, you have to make more of these portals, and I'm going to show you how to make. So you want to go to edit behaviors, just in case you don't remember. Then the collision, and you can watch this over and over and over and over and over and over again. Okay, so collision, you want to change that to whoever your player's name is. We'll just call that. We just named our player. Okay, and then we want to go to game flow right here. Next level. Hit go. Next level. Level 2. Or restart currently previous level. Whatever. And so since I don't have 3 levels, I need to have another level if this was an actual portal. And then you want to do this, and then another collision. Move this up here. the collision, type your guy, then condiment sound, and hit play, choose sound, effect, 8-bit coin, that one. Okay, now you can make more dudes. You can make more dudes. That's the only thing we have for now. Then this one. And they just keep repeating, and you can make more of these dudes, clone them, and then background stuff, trait, edit, erase this, do whatever you want, like or like yeah. Do that, and let's call this background, and clone this, and clone it all over the place, make it the whole background, whatever you want, like it's the whole background. Do all over the place. Place it all over the place. Clone, like, can be like the whole background. Sure take a while, but it'll work. Like all this and all that, and then done cloning. Then that's the background. You have to, if you want it to be completely the whole background, then you just have to do that yourself, and well, no, not. It'll just take a while. Okay, it will just take so long. But yeah, that's it. Bye.